WildBrain!
Let's rev and roll! Let's rev and go!
Rev and roll! Gear up, let's go and play.
Let's go!
Rev and roll! It's gonna be an epic day. Go, go, go! With all my friends in Fender Bend, we rev and roll. So rev it up, it's time for us to ride.
Go, jumpy! Rev and roll!
Cold freeze. Tag, you're it, Rumble. Nice one, Rumble. Guys, it's here, the storm of the century. We're gonna be covered up to our eyeballs in snow.
That's right, Fender Benders. Break out your shovels. There'll be heavy snow all day and all night. Then the temperature will drop, giving us an Arctic deep freeze.
Did you hear that? Loads of snow, and then an Arctic deep freeze.
You make it sound super fun. But what's an Arctic deep freeze?
It's when the air gets so cold that snow turns to a sheet of solid ice. We have all day to build the most amazing track. Then it'll freeze overnight, and bam! We'll have the most epic ice track ever! Oh, think of all the frozen jumps, ramps, and stunt bowls. Well, come on! What are we waiting for?
On your marks, get set.
Check it out! The perfect place to build our winter track! The starting ramp will go over here, the stunt pole can go over there, the half pipe will go over...
Uh-oh, sounds like someone is getting a cold.
Me? Getting a cold? No way! I don't have time for a cold! Okay, now, let's get this snow track ready for an Arctic blast! I knew it, Trevor Wheeler. Tell me you don't have a cold. I dare you. Okay, Avery, I don't have a cold.
That sounds like a cold.
A very bad cold.
Oh, you poor thing.
Look, I told you, I don't have a cold. I don't have time to have a be right back. Huh? Well, there you have it. Rev has a cold. We are in trouble.
Big trouble. Rev can't stand being sick. He only has 2 speeds.
Fast and faster. Slowing down to get better is not his speed.
Rev! It's me!
Rev!
We think you might need to go home and get some rest. Don't we, gang?
Definitely. It's for the best. You'll feel better in no time. Huh? What? No pancakes for me, Mom. Got a big day. Rev! Listen, you need to go home and take a rest. We've got this.
We'll keep working on the track. Don't worry. We can build it without you, and then you'll be better in time to race with us. Okay, Rev?
Okay. Maybe I will get some sleep. Just for a minute.
Make sure he gets home and gets lots of rest, okay, Rumble?
Feel better.
Great job, everyone. Looking good. Next order of business is... Huh?
That's one tired snowman.
Yay! Rev is back! We're so glad you're feeling better, Mr. Sicky.
I'm a snow angel.
Definitely not better.
He was a truck. But he was a cute muzzy truck.
Oh my, yeah. I see that now. Oh man, that boy does not know when to stay down, does he?
Hey, everyone. Come on, gang. We've got a snow track to build. Let's rev and roll.
Yeah, now what?
Oh! Now we babysit. Eagle Eye, come in, Eagle Eye. Is the target in sight?
This is Eagle Eye. Target is in sight, Avery. I mean, meow meow. Eagle Eye out.
Meow meow to motor mouth. Do you have eyes on the front door?
Motor mouth to meow meow. All eyes are on the prize. No blinking allowed. Over.
Mother hen, are we all good on the perimeter?
Mother hen here. All clear. This is Eagle Eye to meow meow. Operation Sleep Like a Baby is complete. Eagle Eye out.
Do you see Rumble?
Funny enough, no rumble. Why'd you ask? Oh, he's good.
Trevor Wheeler!
I am not sick. I am not sick. Must get snow track prepared for big storm.
We know you're in there, Rev.
No, I'm not. Where have you all been? We've got a lot of work to... to Get it? It was a sick joke.
Listen, Rev, I know you want to help. We want you to help. But the thing is, you have a cold and you need to rest.
And we're running out of time. If we don't finish the snow track before it freezes, then we won't have a track.
And we can't finish the track if we're spending all our time trying to get you back to bed.
Oh.
We'll do our part, but you have to promise to do your part. Think of how much we'll miss you if you don't get better by tomorrow.
Think of how much you'll miss if you don't get better by tomorrow.
Okay, I'm in. You all get to work. I'll go to bed.
Okay, Rumble, take him home.
It's beautiful. Whoa. It worked.
Hey, Anyone see Rev? I kind of thought he'd beat us here.
Oh,
Oh no! Rev, you're still sick!
no, I'm not. I just,
Gotcha! I feel great! Yay! You're all better!
Sure am. You all did an awesome job helping me get better.
Helping you?
Okay, forcing me to get better.
Well, the ice track was your idea. And even though you were sick, we couldn't have done it without you. So right back at you.
Thanks. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Uh-oh. No, wait! I'm not sick. I'm just allergic to snow.
The Cowboy Kids!
Working the land out here in the Old West takes strong hands and a stronger spirit. When bad weather comes, farmers face it alone. When bad outlaws come, they call Sheriff Rev and Deputy Avery. Hard-working settlers Ben and Molly came upon an alarming discovery. They were robbed.
We've been robbed!
Sheriff Rev knew right away who the carrot culprits were.
The Hopper Gang. Oh no!
That's right, the Hopper Gang. The most troublesome, trickiest, and cutest varmints in the land. Tracking down this bad bunch of bunnies would take teamwork. And that's why Sheriff Rev sent for the Cowboy Kids.
The Hopper Gang has been veggie rustling in these parts long enough.
And it's high time they were run out of town. I ain't never met an outlaw yet that I can't outrun with good old Crash here. Or who could outshoot Spritzer.
Woo, doggies!
That's some fancy shooting, partner. Once we catch those low-down carrot crooks, Tipper here will haul their fluffy tails off to the farthest corner of the west.
Saddle up, Cowboy Kids! It's roundup time! Yeehaw!
With Sheriff Rev and the Cowboy Kids on the Hopper Gang's trail, it wasn't long before one of them spotted something suspicious.
What's up, Rumble? See something suspicious? Shh. On the count of 3, we'll nab them. 1, 2. Where are those bunny bandits?
Why, looky here, Sheriff. I think we've been hornswoggled. Wait, what does that even mean? You know, tricked? Oh.
Sure enough, Sheriff Rev and his posse let the Hopper Gang distract them with nothing more than a piece of twine and a few quick tugs.
There they are! After them! I'm locked in, Rumble. Let's rev and roll! against 3 of them and they still got away.
Yep, but they got away empty-handed. I captured the carrots. Huh? Why is it so loud? What in tarnation?
Ugh, we've been hoodwinked again.
Yep, our cowboy heroes have fallen for another Hopper Gang hoax.
No more tracks, no more nothing. Where'd they go? Shh! Hide!
It's the Hopper Gang hideout.
And now they've got company. It's only a matter of time before those varmints run out of carrots and have to pop out for more.
And as soon as they do, we nab them.
Get 'em! It's plain to see that what we got here is too many tunnels and not enough of us.
What are we gonna do, Sheriff?
I've got a new plan, but it's gonna take a lot of truck power. Great job, partners! We've blocked all the hideout holes except for this one.
You can run, but you can't hide. We'll be waiting for y'all.
The question is, how much waiting would it take? By the time the sun was getting low in the sky, Sheriff Rev and his posse were getting low on gumption.
I sure do feel low on gumption.
I reckon we've waited long enough. It's time for a more hands-on approach.
What'd you have in mind, Sheriff?
Hauling them out, one by
You can do it! Oh, get him, brother!
Rumble, are you okay in there?
Oh, look! Little hoppers!
And that's when Sheriff Rev and the cowboy kids realized why the Hopper Gang had been doing so much veggie robbing.
Well, my golly gosh! Even outlaws have families to feed.
Hungry mouths or not, the law is the law. And this veggie robbing has to stop.
Pardon us for interrupting your dinner, Mrs. Hopper.
Flowers? You like flowers?
Now, seeing those dandelions got Sheriff Rev to thinking. Maybe the Hoppers would like to move on to greener pastures.
How'd you hoppers like to move on to greener pastures? Well, how do you like that? Your new back door opens onto a fresh field of the best bunny food in the West. It's all you can nibble. And no more stealing carrots.
And that's how Sheriff Rev, Deputy Avery, and the cowboy kids managed to tame one small corner of the wild, wild West.
Hey! Any of y'all seen my sheriff badge?
And until next time, happy trails.
The Gear Up Garage Band.
Oh, yeah! Maestro Owen and the Gear Up Garage Band are right on track!
Don't worry, Rumble. You got this. Just hit the gong when Owen tells you to.
And we're almost at the finish line. Heading into the final stretch. It's over to Avery. Nice. Now Rev takes it away on the straightaway. And it's checkered flag time. Hit it, Rumble. Rumble. Sid, hit it. Whoa, nice save, you guys.
Thanks!
That sounded great. But try not to miss your signal when we're on stage tomorrow. Okay, Rumble?
Wait, did you just say on stage?
Oh, hey, did I forget to tell you? We're gonna play our song at the music festival tomorrow! The Fender Bend Music Festival? In front of the whole town? That is some serious backfire. Maybe it's time for a quick tune-up.
That wasn't a backfire. Rumble's just revved up, that's all. He loves making music.
Oh, I'm glad, because it would not be good if he made a noise like that on stage tomorrow. He won't do that, right?
Ha! Not a chance. He'll be fine. Won't you, buddy?
Great! Let's meet tomorrow for one last practice. And that is band dismissed.
Well, there's no better place to spend a bunch of time with a four-wheeled friend than a town called Fender Bend.
Fender Bend.
With the sound of all those changing gears and every honking horn I hear's like music to my ears.
To my ears, Fender Bend is like music to my ears. Every clanking bench and tire wrench and motor changing gears takes me home to Fender Bend.
Wow! Nice singing, Mom and Dad.
Thanks, Rev. We're just getting in one more practice before the show.
What about your band? Is the Gear Up Garage Band all set for their big debut?
Well, Rumble's a bit nervous. Maybe a lot nervous.
Everyone gets nervous before going on stage. You just need to practice.
See? You just need to keep practicing, Rumble. You'll feel better in no time. more big gong in the middle. So just watch for my signal, okay?
Don't be nervous. You can do it.
Everyone ready? Here we go. One, two. Watch out, Rehearsal! Wait for it, Rumble! First, it's over to Rev. Get ready, Rumble! And over to Rumble!
Whoa! Easy, Rumble. Everything's okay.
It really is okay, Rumble. We know this was all just an accident.
That doesn't sound good, does it?
Oh, I can't find my cowbell. Oh, there it is. How can we play without instruments?
Bo's right. They're all broken. Oh, I think we'll have to drop out of the concert.
Oh. No. There must be something else we can do. Come on, everybody. Think!
It's thinking cap time. Think, Bo. Think!
You know, that almost sounds musical.
Yeah. It does.
Wait, that's it! We don't need our instruments to make sounds or to play music.
We don't? We don't?
Nope. Rumble, instead of worrying about your backfires, let's use them. Do you think you can backfire whenever you want? Louder! I've got an idea.
Fender Bend is like music to my ears. Take me home to Fender Bend.
Thank you, Fender Bend. We're the Four Wheelers, and we sure hope you've enjoyed the show so far.
Now clap your hands and honk your horns for a new band, the Gear Up Garage Band!
Where are their instruments?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, yo, yo! I'm Maestro Owen, and we are the Gear Up Garage Band, presenting the fresh beats of MC Rumble!
amazing! You played a song without instruments!
I've never heard anything like it.
Oh, thank you. It was so much fun. It really was pretty awesome.
Yeah, it was like dam bada boom. No big deal. And it was all Rev's idea.
Thanks. But we couldn't have done it without MC Rumble's truck-tastic beats. What do you say, Gear Up Garage Banders? One more time from the top? Oh, wait. A two! First aid fun. Drop it in. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Hey, Rev, check this out. Woo-hoo! Yeah, nice one, Owen.
Rev, Owen, get down to the Gear Up Garage, quick! We have a big surprise for you!
Whoa, reach you there. Punch it, Rumble. So, tell us, what's the surprise?
Is it pizza? Is it popcorn? Is it pizza covered in popcorn?
Even better.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
It's First Aid Fun!
Huh? First aid fun?
And that's exciting because... Are you kidding? First aid is amazing! Incredible! Awesome!
And it's really important for all of us to learn it.
Which is why Bo is gonna spend the whole day teaching it to us.
Bo, teaching?
The whole day?
You betcha!
Okay, it's not just me. Me, Spritzer, Tori, and Avery. Ha! Here they come now!
Hi! Is everyone ready to learn all about first aid?
Hi, Tori, Ambly. That sounds amazing, but Owen and I have to go. We were, just in the middle of doing something...
Actually fun. But first aid is fun. We made a game out of it. Tori and I will teach you how to play, and we'll be the judges. Go on.
We're listening.
2 teams will compete against each other in fun first aid challenges. Sometimes you'll need to do first aid on people.
And sometimes you'll need to do vehicle first aid. Let's get started.
This'll be easy.
We're going to destroy you.
Let the first aid games begin! First aid is fun! Challenge number 1!
Your teammate has fallen and hurt their arm. It hurts to move, so you'll need to put it in a sling.
First team to put their teammate's arm in a sling wins this round! Woohoo! Ready, set,
Go, teams, go!
Ooh, I'll go first. Okay, Owen, sit down so I can put the sling on you.
What? Why do I have to be the one that's hurt? Why can't you be hurt?
Because I'm awesome and I never fall and I never get hurt.
Fine. Help, I'm hurt. Ouch, my arm.
Wow, Avery, that was fast.
That's because you were the perfect patient. There, all done.
Stop! Time's up!
Nicely done, Avery. Rev, Owen, how'd you do?
I couldn't save my patient. But look, now he's a mummy. He's preserved forever.
Avery and Lori, 1. Rev and Owen, 0.
Vehicle first aid. You've got to replace a damaged wheel.
Very tricky. Hopefully this one doesn't tire you out. On your mark, get set, go! Get it, Chris!
We've got this.
change the tire, but we learned how to stop, drop, and roll.
Avery and Lori, 2. Rev and Owen, 0. First aid is fun. Challenge number 3, assessing a situation.
For this challenge, each team needs a volunteer to be the patient.
I was a patient last time, so it's Rev's turn this time. Great! Rev, Avery, come over here. Lori, Owen, no peeking.
Every first aid worker needs to ask good questions when caring for their patients. But not all patients are good communicators. It's up to your teammates to figure out what's wrong with you. This is where you got hurt. You got a scratch when you were playing hide and seek. And they'll need to use their kits to treat you.
Remember, you can only answer their questions. You can't just come out and tell them where you're hurt. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, Rev, no more messing around. We're winning this one.
You bet. I'm with you, Doctor.
Do you have a toothache?
Nope.
Broken nose?
No.
You dehydrated?
No.
Gotta go boom boom?
What?
Are you constipated?
No.
Phew, good. Constipation is no joke.
Are you sick?
Nope.
Did you hurt yourself? Okay, I'll point to where I think you might be hurt, and you tell me yes or no.
You need a ice pack? No. Splint? Emotional support hamster?
I need a bandage.
Your mom!
Bandage. Bandage.
Oh, bandage! Why'd you just say so? Stop the treatments! Time's up!
How did everyone do?
I didn't find the injury, but look how happy my patient is.
Yes, me so happy.
Avery and Lori, 3. Rev and Owen, 0. If your pet car or truck has a dent, you can use a plunger to fix it. And the winners are...
Wait, don't tell me. Let me guess.
Avery and Lori! Yeah!
What's the ice pack for?
For the burn we just gave you 2.
Har har, very funny. Come on, Owen. Let's go back to the stunt park.
Aw, come on, you 2. You didn't even care about first aid when we started.
Well, that was a waste of a day.
Well, it wasn't a total loss. We got free balloons. Somebody help!
That sounds like Timmy. Let's go. He's hurt.
What do we do, Rev?
Whoa, Tori, we're at the stunt park and Timmy's hurt. We need your help.
Okay, we're on it. Stay with him. We'll be right there.
We've got to try to help them. It's okay, Timmy. Help is on the way.
Okay.
Oh, your arm hurts. Okay, hold still. I know how to make that feel better.
You have a dent in your side. Okay, let's fix that. Plunger, stat. There you go. All set. That should do until you 2 can get home and see your mom and dad. Thanks, Owen. You and Rev are heroes.
Did you see what we just did? You were amazing.
No, you were amazing.
We're unbelievable.
We really are heroes. First aid is awesome.
Did you hear that?
I did. But you know what? I think we need to hear it again. First aid is awesome! Wait, what was that, Rev and Owen? First aid is awesome! Awesome! Awesome!
Bo, Tori, I'm sorry we didn't take your class seriously. At first.
But we really did try and learn first aid in the end. Honest.
We know you did.
How else do you explain how quickly you were able to help Timmy and his vehicle? You guys were amazing.
You actually learned the most important part of helping someone who's hurt.
We did?
What? Staying cool under pressure.
Of course.
We're always cool.
Ouch. A little help here?